Oxygen gives rise to the ozone layer and is degraded back to ozone, O2 and O in the presence of UV rays. So UV rays are essential for its formation and dissociation. And the effects of UV rays. UV rays are very harmful. It causes skin cancer and changes in the DNA of organism. Eye contact. These are the UV rays falling on the earth and it affects the aquatic ecosystem. See, the ecosystem was disturbed by the UV rays and all the animals were died and the plants also died. And it affects the immune system.
How ozone layer is getting depleted? It is depleted because of chlorofluorocarbons released by refrigerators and air conditioners in the houses where it is used as coolants, automobiles and aircraft exhaust that contains NO2, deo sprays and fire extinguishers. The chlorine atom of chlorofluorocarbons will enter the stratosphere through air or wind and the chlorine act as catalyst in the presence of UV rays and dissociates ozone into O2 and O and prevents the formation of ozone. One chlorine atom can dissociate and 1 lakh ozone molecules. Consequences: ozone hole is not the hole, but it is the thinning of the ozone layer. It has extended up 27,000 million square kilometers. As a result, we are facing lot of problems like skin cancer, eye cataract. Thank you.
Control measures. We have to stop the usage of CFCs and substitute with other chemicals that will not harm the ozone layer and avoid using deo sprays that has aerosols. And effects to restore ozone level. Montreal Protocol was signed at Montreal in 1987 to control the emission of ozone depleting substances. Thank you.
Now the working model. The bottles kept here deplete our earth. Now we will see how ozone layer is getting depleted. The first bottle shows how our life on the earth was in ancient period. The cover over the bottle with the ozone layer. I poured water in first bottle and keeping aside. Now I am taking second bottle.